stocks in focus as well, most of them being power utilities, and they are in focus on the back of positive notes coming in from brokerage firm Investec. And Vivek is joining in with these details. Vivek, what is Investec saying on all of these power utility stocks?
Well, that's right. So, a very interesting note coming in from Investec today. So, what they've done is they've initiated coverage on the entire power space. So, both utilities as well as companies that provide EPC services, focus towards power companies. So, what they've done is, number one, they're talking about the power sector itself and what kind of demand trends they see. They're expecting demand to remain strong, especially from FY24 to FY32. See demand growth rate at a CAGR of 6.2%. What are the key drivers? Rising urbanization, increased usage of AC amongst rising temperatures, and also enhanced manufacturing as well as economic activity that the country is seeing overall. So now what they're saying is that by FY30, in addition to what is already existing, India is trying to add close to 286 gigawatts of new capacity. This we are talking about power capacity, and Ministry of Power plans to add almost 50 to 55 gigawatt of new thermal capacity by FY32. Remember, this is in addition to the 20 gigawatts which is already under construction. So significant addition seen, both thermal as well as renewables. So what are the stocks that they like? They like stocks especially from the renewable space. So NHPC is one that they like. They have a target price of 124 rupees on the share. They are seeing capacity of the company to increase to 14.2 gigawatt by FY27, and they are seeing the regulated equity of the company rise to 32,810 crore in FY27 versus just around 15,000 crore at the end of FY24. The second stock on the radar, Inox Wind, similar to what other brokerages are saying, they have a buy rating there. They are saying that India plans to go ahead and increase wind capacity additions quite significantly. They are saying that they are expecting the company to register 76% and 74% CAGR respectively in revenue as well as EBITDA till FY27. The third stock on the radar, now coming to the EPC side, Kalpataru Power, they have a target price of 1,473. They are saying it's a prominent EPC player with strong presence in both domestic as well as international market. They expect EBITDA and PAT to grow at 23 and 33% CAGR respectively between FY24 to FY27. A similar mode of business, KEC International is the other stock that they like. They're saying prominent player as far as the T&D is concerned in the power space. They're saying recovery in T&D space and promising bid pipeline should actually drive revenue growth for the company at 13% CAGR till FY27. So they have a target price of almost 1,002. This is giving the company a 22 times price to earnings ratio for the FY27 consolidated EPS. Lastly, JSW Energy, while they like the stock and the company, they have a hold rating. They believe valuation at current level limits most of the upside, and most of the positives are priced in at the current price.
Thank you very much for that. DOMS, the station